Suckers!
Freeze, motherfucker, freeze!
I don't know why you think that's funny.
He's heading towards the end then.
Stop if you want to live.
West
I'm
side.
gonna get my gear, you idiots.
The quarry?
Hey, there's a guy
He's in a
over
pond
there.
now, heading up north on the hill.
Shit.
It'd be fucking hilarious if he stole X's gear that he left while he did that little joke.
He's heading north.
Elusive Bambi.
Stupid name gave it away.
I can't believe we can't hit this fucking guy.
I'm not
we're
wasting
sitting
my
close
fucking
together.
bullets on him. I don't have any.
I'm gonna catch up. He might be drawing us into a trap, be careful. Like, there might be other guys there that think they're heroes.
Who the hell are we shooting at?
Wow, he's good. I like it.
Is he dead or what?
No.
going?
Dude, we really don't want to kill you, but you're kind of just making us
Serpentine like a
wanna
fucking
kill you.
champ.
No.
No. Those guys aren't really my friends.
No, it's too late, man. Fuck.
Those guys are not really
We're
my
gonna
friends.
chase them all the way to Berezino.
No.
I'm not really with them. I'm the pizza guy.
Yeah,
You got him?
Pizza guy.
Why were you
No, it's
bullying
the
me?
He's bleeding.
Just to double check your name.
Ah,
Alright, you want me
crap.
bandage you? I got rags, man.
Dude,
I'm lagging.
your
You want
pulse,
rags?
like it says X. I'm like, oh, I must be standing too close to him.
You want rags?
Who's the guy with
It
the
was-
white t-shirt that's scared?
Freshie.
Oh, he's got a gun on his back.
Oh my god, you guys suck.
He's bleeding though.
let's go, bro.
Fuck.
Stop you, motherfucker.
I really hope he's leading y'all into a trap.
So do I.
So do I.
I'm fifth in line, so it's okay.
Oh, I'm at the very back.
I'm shifting red. He's on the road again.
Such a waste.
He's on the main road.
Road again?
He's going left in towards the factory.
No one kills me but me. I'm gonna jump.
Was that Mickey?
What?
Confused.
See him.
I don't care.
He's past the railroad station.
Yeah, he's by the
I don't care if I die right now.
Holy fuck, everybody's chasing him.
Gives us something to do,
probably
man.
shooting us though.
Since we can't hit him with our freaking bullets.
It's going
And
up
Neptune's gotta waste some medical supplies on him.
He's running over the train station, the bridge.
I'm gonna force feed in this rotten key.
Who shot that?
Oh, he's down. Nice shot. That was a nice shot.
I got him. I got him.
You did get him.
Hey, and I got him from here, from over the
Check his
bridge.
pulse.
Sucker.
See if he's still alive.
I'm a good shooter.
He has no pulse. He's
yo.
warm to the touch. He's a clan member. RTT Aguila.
There could be a sniper up here somewhere.
Bitch. Got him.
Clan member RTT Aguila.
I bet he's the guy that was one of the guys that was geared that got killed in the first place.
Catch you, man. You're the kill.
Is that guy further down?
Hey, that was amazing.
He's all the
man.
way by the bridge over by the granaries. And the tech.
Yeah, it's past the factory.
There's another guy down the road, down the rail tracks.
I think I see him too.
That's a zombie.
Is it? It's
Yeah,
white.
it's a zombie, man. What the fuck?
The train
Right.
tracks where, dude? We're all the way down by the granary. We're almost at freaking
Same here. Same here, man.
Did I just kill him with one shot? That was amazing.
Well, he's been bleeding, so.
X, you better tell us about that tomorrow.
Yeah,
Tell us
it's
about
it's
what?
gonna be a riveting story.
Tell us that story about how you shot someone this one tomorrow.
Oh,
You
this
should
one
write it
time
down.
in band camp with our clan, I shot a guy.
And it was from 150 yards.
Oh shit. What the fuck was
Not
that?
me. Not me.
That was a zombie, man.
What the hell are you shooting at, then, Absent?
The zombie down road.
Duck Road.
Down road.
Where to now? What are we doing now?
I'm gonna have to go to bed.
I'm gonna have to go up road. I'm gonna have to go up hill and to go to bed.
Yeah, do you want to log off inside the factory or something? Inside the...
No, let's go up the hill or something.
Who's this?
Alright, I think I'm following you, Ralph.
Me? Yeah, I got the green beret.
Copy.
Me?
We're all following each other.
Yeah, what the hell?
That'd be the screwdriver. Come back here.
What? Oh.
Vicky, where are you at? Are you with us?
Yeah, I'm in the back.
He's against us.
I'm running low on SKS.
I'm not gonna quit though. Who's gonna quit and who not?
Does anyone have a spare FNX?
Mostly's gone. Hey, there's a freshie on the road, or someone's on the road.
Alright, let's go get him.
Let's get him.
Are you serious?
Yeah, did you see that?
No, but where? Which way was he running?
Oh, he's
Right by the
I
bridge.
see him.
See them?
There's two guys, there's two guys.
Oh, there. Yeah, two guys. Two
He's geared.
guys.
He's geared.
There's two of them.
Maybe he's friendly.
I think he's shooting us.
Pushing
So
at us.
it's me.
There's a guy north on the bridge.
There's two of them. They're running to the bridge.
Wait, I
There's
think...
two of them.
Three.
Three.
One of them.
Is that
Oh, he's gonna.
You guys
that's
with
what I
us?
wanna do.
Are they friendly?
One of them's not.
Oh, okay, what the fuck?
Speak the fuck up, man.
Who's the guy with the backpack running away?
He said I didn't hear you from
Three
here, man.
times.
Fuck.
Not over TeamSpeak, you didn't?
Yeah, I did. Like 10 times, dude.
Nuh-uh.
No.
Nuh-uh.
I didn't hear shit.
Who's the guy in the white
Hey
shirt?
man, where you going?
Friendly?
Don't stop running, white shirt.
It's a Bambi.
Can't hear it.
We really don't. Oh man, we're gonna do this again.
I got him.
Somebody's hiding in this bush, I think.
Who is that?
What bush?
No, it's me. Don't shoot me. If someone's logging out in a bush, it's me.
I got.
If I wake
Hit
up
him.
dead tomorrow, swear down. When
He's
you
bleeding.
fuckers kill me. You better not be talking about my body.
He's down.
Oh no.
Kept running around, dude.
Oh, it's him again.
So-
It's Aguilar. RTT Aguilar. Aguilar. That's that clan member again. We killed him again.
Wait, he woke up from the bridge, I guess?
Yep.
Right
No,
now,
he was
dead, man.
No, that's another dude.
I'll see you in a few weeks.
Alright, man.
Alright, mate, take it easy.
No, the guy
hard to survive
from the
without
bridge
internet.
died, and this is him as a news girl.
Goodbye, Nipson.
Oh,
See you
okay.
later. See you later.
User disconnected.
Alright, I'm running back up to the woods to log off.
Yeah, me too.
Let's go, Andy. I think I'm behind you.
Yeah.
You got the nice black shirt.
Where are we going to?
I'm just logging off in the tree line.
Well, we're gonna leave soon. We're gonna leave.
So now what?
I don't know.
Get a bear, get shot at.
Ooh, we could try and clear those sniper woods. That might be fun.
Yeah, we could do that.
Do what?
Do we want to head around this mountain and start going that way?
Yeah, I'm down.
Yeah, that's the hospital right there, right?
Yeah, it is. It is so peaceful here. Do you see anything?
Buildings, that's it.
Empty ones.
Who's running in the field right now?
Me.
Are we going to the Berezino? Just go in it. Just from street to street. Let's go, man.
Tired of waiting.
Yeah, it's because I turned around and ran back. This is where the school is, right?
I think so.
All doors are open now.
There's a zombie in the door of this building.
Yeah, I saw it.
Alright, I'm behind you. You hear that?
Yeah, they're in the school.
They're in the school.
Do we want to go after them?
I'm stepping into the barn to get ready. There's a side door.
Weird people? Or
Talking in game, so there's two of them.
I'm coming in, man.
Where are you at, son?
I'm by the side door here. I'm trying to listen. I want to work my way around and get to the other ladder.
So now you're at the ladder of the school?
I'm at the back door of the school. I can hear them talking. I heard someone say there's four of them.
Look at the
We're not
flowers! Look at the flowers, Willis!
Who's shooting?
Not me.
You're too far from me, we can't hear it.
I heard M4.
Best in pepperonis, Willis.
I heard shotgun shots. That's coming from the... I hear people loading.
Let's see if I can't get a line of sight straight down those halls. They're outside, they're where we started. They're where we started.
I'm on the roof.
Are you shooting
They're
at
in the
them?
barn? They're in the barn?
Yeah, I got one of them. Yeah, there are two in the barn.
I'm coming from behind the barn. What do they have?
They're what? I got fucking kicked.
Who's down? Is that them?
Yeah,
That's-
shoot
that's
anyone
them.
in the barn.
Okay.
Dead.
I tagged one of them as they were coming out.
I took two
Hang
out.
on. Yeah, see.
I took out one guy in the barn and the other guy ran outside. I took him out too. Make sure
They're
they're
both
dead.
down. They're all down. No, don't shoot them, cause they're down. I'm with the bodies in the barn.
Okay, there's a body outside the barn. Make sure he's dead.
That's the one I got. Unless you're talking about the one you
No,
dropped
I
in the
just
left.
I just dropped the guy outside. Are you alive,
Both-
Mickey?
Both
No, I'm
both
dead.
have no pills. No pulse.
Alright, check
Hang on,
the guy
I'm coming
outside.
here.
There's a
This,
Zed going for him.
I spawned right by the school.
Cool.
no pills. They're dead. All dead.
Yes. Sweet, I got him.
There were three of them.
I got two. Are you sure you didn't get one?
I know I shot one. I don't know if I killed him.
You may have, because it looked like they might have been looting somebody. How many bodies were inside the barn?
There's a freshie. I'm standing
Outside
behind.
one.
There's a freshie in the school. He's
No,
got a
that's
tan
me.
shirt on.
Oh, school. Sorry.
Don't let him loot my body inside the barn.
He's coming behind you.
Yeah. Don't move.
What about
don't move.
this
No,
freshie
don't
with a
move.
Mosin? Can I shoot him?
I'm with you. Shoot him. He's got my.
I am. Oh shit.
He's down. Are
You
you
got
in the
him?
barn, Mickey?
Yes, I'm getting my shit back.
Okay, I took the dude down with the Mosin.
Okay, I'm the gas mask guy.
Yeah.
Jesus, that was scary.
Is there SKS ammo? Anything I can use?
No,
I
said
got
it ruined
SKS ammo.
all my shit. So they ruined everything but my gloves. What kind of ammo do you need?
SKS. These guys did not expect
Oh,
me
that-
to come
that
up
guy
on the
you-
roof.
That freshie you dropped was the one I shot. The freshie with the Mosin, he looted the guy I dropped.
Okay, just so you guys know, I did hear M4 fire and Mosin fire before I got up on the roof of the school. Before
That was
everything
him.
went down. You think that was these
Who's
guys?
this? Oh, that's you. That's you.
Mickey. What kind of ammo do you need?
I'm coming down. SKS.
I got SKS. Where are you? Oh, there's a freshie with the black. There's a freshie in the school. Guys,
Okay, what floor?
second floor probably. Is there a gun in the...
Punch me out.
Where are you, Mickey?
Out front of the school.
Who is this guy? I'll kill him.
Kill him, kill him.
My gun's not firing for some fucking reason.
Oh shit, he has a gun. Fuck, he has a gun.
I'm moving up on him. He's down.
There's another guy.
His legs are broken.
Oh, that's
His legs are broken.
I need to... The fucker got a gun, man. I'm
Yeah, you
healing
pulled it off the
myself.
body.
Yeah, I'm healing myself.
Some reason fucking gun.
Is he dead?
Yeah, I killed him.
Oh my guy's fucking weird. Okay, SKS ammo here in front of you on the floor.
Shit.
Blue freshie. Oh wait, I want that.
That's my SKS.
Oh sorry, it's on the floor. Do you want it anymore or not?
Yes.
Hey, did one of you guys pull him?
Where's the ammo?
Hang on, here. I'm gonna hide his body.
Did we all loot everything we need?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get the fuck out of here then. Did we hide all
Inside the
these
bodies.
bodies?
No, that body's not hidden.
Hang on, don't do anything. Wait.
Why are we gonna wait? There's a Mosin here. Somebody should take this Mosin. There's a Mosin outside. Should grab that, dude.
It's on a body.
Okay, so then we gotta hide the body. I'm hiding that body, dude.
Did you hide the body of the guy outside the wall?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, give me a second.
Are you looting? Are you a freshie?
No.
My gun won't load.
Where's
It
this
won't
freshie?
fire. He's outside on that body where the last guy was.
Yeah, I see him outside.
He ran.
My gun won't fire.
Your gun is broken, maybe glitched.
No, it says pristine, but it won't shoot. Can we get to a place where I can relog? Because my gun won't fire at all.
Yeah, we can. That's me, you see me?
Can we do it now?
I took care of this guy. What's the matter with your gun?
It won't fire. I can pull it out, but it won't shoot. It doesn't even click like it's empty.
Is it ruined?
No, it's pristine.
Does it have ammo in it?
Yes.
Empty the ammo and put it back in.
I've done that.
Okay, let's run away. Let's go to the water.
You
There's.
can't grab this one here. I know I hit
Oh
the
yeah,
body.
wait.
but-
I do that. Cause
No,
I
it's
went,
on the body.
Oh, it's hidden.
Yeah, it's on his body.
Alright, let's get away from here and see if we can't do something else. We need to go someplace safe where we can fuck up Mickey's Mosin.
Okay.
We just get into a house.
Over there. That's a good house. Straightforward.
The green one?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
It's 2-story.
let me go in first since I can't shoot. I just logged and I'm coming back in now.
I'm gonna do that too. Be right back.
Because right now I'm getting full, so no need for both of us to.
Does anybody have M4 ammo?
I might. I think I pulled some off the guy before we hit the bodies. But you gotta, it's ruined. I think you gotta split it. What the fuck?
What?
Is my body upstairs in that building?
Yes.
Yeah, it was logging out.
Is it dead?
No.
Why? What's happening?
I spawned as a
Oh.
freshie on
X just duplicated himself.
No,
Don't
no,
shoot
that's
him.
not a duplicate. Don't do anything.
No, I'm not gonna
Your
do
body
anything
is
with
still here, dude.
Mine?
Sign out and in immediately. That's my old sign out buddy. Who's that?
We had a 29 seconds spawn.
Who's that? Who's that?
Freshie.
Hang on, move.
Oh my god, you missing the shot.
That's lag, man. Laggy.
Oh my god, you didn't kill me. Holy shit, you so
Yeah,
But
I'm
this-
on. My body's still there?
Yeah?
No, your body's gone now.
Oh, it's gone.
Because
Somebody's
I'm
outside with a shotgun. What's going on with you, Mickey?
I spawned as a freshie on top of a mountain.
Oh shit, your body's gone now. Unless it went downstairs.
Just sign out again and come back. Try
I
it.
did, and I'm still a freshie in the same place.
Oh, that sucks. Guns.
We should go out and kill them all. Those are probably the guys we just killed.
Probably. Oh, who opened the door?
Not me.
Hey! Guess who's about to fuck the imaginary bitch that you don't have, faggot? Me, nigga! Turn up! Turn up! Turn up!
Wait until I have eyes on him.
I got like 100 snipers coming. I got 100 snipers coming, nigga. 100 gunners, nigga. You better die. Yo, you scared? Yo, I can tell you scared. I can tell you.
Yeah, my ass, you know. Are you outside?
Yo, you're a bitch. You have like 20 guns. Shit, turn up. Ah, I got hit. I'm hit.
Where are you? I'm coming outside. Sin, talk to me.
I'm downstairs. The guy lagged out. I don't know where he went.
Oh my god, I'm getting kicked.
Somebody's shooting.
Okay. I got one, I got one. It's trying to knock you out. Come back in the house.
I don't see him. He's invisible, I think.
Blacked out, man.
Nah, I'm going towards the shore, man. I'm not getting trapped in that house. X, I'm down by the shore. Come out and run right to the shore, the water.
Okay.
I hit him, he was bleeding.
I think I killed him. This guy.
Nah, he was screaming when I left. Is that
Yeah,
you
he
standing
was-
by the fence?
Yeah.
Oh, I just saw him run in front of the house again. X, be careful, he's running around there somewhere.
I see him, he's right in front of me.
Are you gonna kill him or what?
Yeah?
I don't trust him. You said there were like 4 guys there, dude.
I can't shoot. Where are you now?
Go to the shore. Run right for the water.
Okay, I'm coming.
Yep, just keep coming straight. Oh, there's somebody to your left.
That's the other guy. Where are you?
I'm right here, see me? I'm on the hill. Looking
Oh, yeah,
at the
sorry.
house you just came from.
I was gonna shoot with my Mosin, but it didn't fire. You wanna go to the northeast airfield or something? Let's run to the
Wait,
northeast
wait, I
airfield.
just seen him again. He's in the backyard of the greenhouse. He's coming out towards us. See him?
Are you
He's coming
shooting?
towards us.
I heard M4 fire.
He's running around up there, dude.
I know. Let's go to the Hagen.
He's right here. See him?
Yeah. He's gone, no?
I lost eyes.
Yeah. Oh man, I'm sick. I need to do
Oh,
something.
I got
now.
him. He's here.
Yo, fuck you, dog. You took my shit. I'm gonna fuck you up. Just get it. I lied. It was a lie. It was a lie. It was a lie. It was a lie.
Ah, we got it. Oh wait, don't do that.
You win.
Don't shoot him.
Damn, nigga, chill. You have no chill.
Somebody else shooting at us.
You can't even aim. Nigga, you lonely as fuck, nigga. You have no fuck. You have no.
We leave you here, idiot. Come on, let's run away. Are you there, Sin?
Yeah, I'm getting rid of this M4.
Let's go. We're running that way. There's an M4 behind us somewhere.
Yeah, I
Can you hear
left
that?
it on the ground. I don't need it. It's out of bullets. Fuck it.
No, I mean an M4 guy.
No, I didn't hear
Let's
it.
go. Let's go, let's go.
Bang a right. We're gonna stay along the water.
Oh, there, is that a fishy? Another fishy.
So, let's leave. Why are you going back? I thought you said you heard M4 fire. Are you shooting?
Yeah.
You shot the freshie? Oh, I heard M4 fire.
Stop. Do you see him?
I don't see him. I think he's shooting from near the shed.
Where's he shooting from?
From...
Yeah, right
Oh,
in
he's
front
coming.
of me.
He's coming. I see him. From the railroad tracks.
Yeah, I see him. Are you shooting at him?
Yes. Yes.
Is he down?
No. He's by the
Let's
yellow
get him.
house.
I know. Let's get him.
There's two of them.
Wait, two with an M4 or what?
I only saw one with an M4. The house that we were in, they're
Yeah?
in those bushes there. That was the last place I saw them, in those bushes.
Okay, where are you?
I'm by the docks, by the water. Is the dude on the ground still screaming and alive?
No, he's been knocked out. I did a good move, man. I lied down and he hit the rocks, but didn't hit me.
You see those bushes in the backyard with the tree near the road?
Yeah?
That's the last place I saw them.
Yeah, there's somewhere around there. Let's crawl to the rocks over there.
Sure, you don't want to just hang here? This is a good spot.
I see him, all the way over there. You see him?
Yep. Yellow chain. Looks like the server's gonna restart. Yeah, server's restarting.
Oh crap!
Fuck it, I'm gonna log out.
Was a good game, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna run over to where I saw them. Just to see.